Well, this is an easy intro. Every time I see Handong, every time we see Handong together, I get a proof of heartbeat. You know, every time Handong comes up, it's just bop, 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 bop. Oh yeah, and it's a rainy day. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Too Grown, because I'm obviously too grown for the reactions. And today, we have some more DREAMCATCHER. That's right, it's Thursday, so you guys know what that means. We got some more fire DREAMCATCHER coming your way, except today we got some fire Handong going down today, brought to you by the boy Lucas and the rest of my fellow insomnias. We got Handong's birthday coming up, so we got to do some 2 special clip sweaty DREAMCATCHER videos of our Handong. You already know what you got to do for our Handong, man. You got to bring that full bottle of water for her. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get right into this. It's not. Yeah, can we rewind that? I like this pure Handong vocals, nothing going on, bro. The heart, proof of heartbeat, bro. What a warning this one is, huh? Okay. And the DREAMCATCHER stairs, bro. Okay, was she writing on the desk or not? I don't understand that part, but then I got sidetracked by Stare. Why are most of these special clip DREAMCATCHER videos have to be like this, bro? Like, why is this the format? Why is the format basically, you know, hey, we got a special, you know, DREAMCATCHER special clip video coming up. Just kill everybody, bro. Just all you gotta do. Just kill everybody. Why are they always built like this? Right here. And the vocal too, bro. Don't get it twisted, bro. DREAMCATCHER visuals. I don't know why I made that face. I was going for the water, bro, but I realized I didn't have a water bottle in front of my face. I don't know why I made that face. Let's not meme it. Let's just move on from it. But DREAMCATCHER visuals are, you know what I mean? But like the vocals, bro. One more time for everybody. Let me let's do it one more time for everybody, you know what I mean? trilingual. Yeah, I'm sorry, Handong. Isn't Handong like a trilingual queen, bro? I told you to keep doing the turn, bro. Who's the director of this? You're seeing the formula? Yeah, I figured out the formula of the special clips, bro. It's just stairs, bro. Stairs, beautiful vocals, beautiful visuals, flow is stupidity, bro. With DreamCatcher special clips, and now we got. I had to translate this because I believe this is. I think the title's in Mandarin, called "Rainy Day" or "Rainy Days" plural. Let's get it. I'm done, bro. Like, can we change this up, bro? Can we change it up, bro? I don't want to die. I don't want to keep dying to stairs, bro. Some of y'all are psychos like that, bro. And they're like, yeah, keep beating them. You know what I mean? Like, nah. Nah, dude. Nah. DreamCatcher taking years off of my life with the stairs, bro. The heart goes too quick. You know your heart only has a certain amount of beats, you know what I mean, in your lifetime? It's taking years off of me, bro. Years off of me, bro. Like I said, trilingual queen, bro. Is this a Mandarin? I like how they gave me what I wanted, you know, you have to stare, but they still had this torture us like this. This is still torture. Like, that's how you know. It's not torture, bro. That's how you know how hot DreamCatcher members are, bro. You know what I mean? Like, they gave me what I wanted, bro, but it's still torture. I don't get it, bro. I don't understand it, bro. I don't understand it all. Handong has a beautiful, beautiful voice, bro. I'm so surprised she didn't look over at the camera for the last second. I'm so surprised. What beautiful tracks we just listened to, man. Once again, happy early birthday to our Handong, man. Handong is so talented. You saw it, bro. The visuals, the vocals, the art she was doing, bro. The trilingualness, the English, the Korean, I believe the Mandarin, bro. If I'm wrong on that, correct me in the comments below. But yo, Handong, Dreamcatcher so talented, and Handong is definitely a part of why Dreamcatcher is so talented. Once again, I appreciate these videos by our boy Lucas and the rest of Insomnias, man. Dreamcatcher has a lot of deadly special clips to get to, and it definitely is taking years off of the life, bro, because every time we watch Dreamcatcher together, the heart is just going, bro. It's just going, and it's just stares, bro. Just pure stares and different angles of the special clips, so... yeah, let me know what you guys thought about these two Handong special clips, man. Y'all already know what time it is, though. I love y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.